Welcome to my channel. Let's make commercial liquid soap. So foamy and very effective. You can make much money using this recipe. I love this recipe. Dissolve 1 to 5 G cells in 1.5 liter water. Dissolve 125 grams soda ash in 1.5 liter water. Dissolve 50 grams sodium sulphate in 1.5 liter water. Stir immediately to avoid lumps. Stir vigorously until all the particles are well dissolved. Alternative the stirring in the 3 containers. Keep stirring until all dissolves. In 3 liters water, add 125 grams Nitrosol. Stir vigorously. Dissolve 3 teaspoons of caustic soda in a little water. Be careful with lye solution, highly corrosive. Add the lye solution to Nitrosol solution and stir. It gets thicker as you stir. Keep stirring to mix very well. Please, I'm sorry my camera didn't record while adding SLS and sodium sulphate. With this thickness. I kept adding water. Add soda ash solution. I added more water, and it kept swelling. Please like my video. Kindly share. Add any fragrance of your choice. Please subscribe. Any questions or suggestions? Meet me at the comment section. Dissolve 2 teaspoons of colorant and add. This container takes 25 liters. Do you like this video? Please give it thumbs up. Kindly subscribe to support the channel. Add more water if it's too thick. I appreciate your support, guys. What video would you like to see next from this channel? Please comment below. Allow to cool down and package. Nice having you here. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.